THIMM is a family company. From the headquarters is in Nordheim in Germany. The company is on the market 75 years next year. Here in the Czech Republic we will be 30 years next year, and it's a very oriented company for the future. That means also for the digitalization, automatization, and I'm happy that can be here. Also, it's the best workplace, I think. I'm here from 1997 with short break. I was also in other companies and I came back, and that is. Yeah, it is so. Also, we would like to see to be the first on the market. We see it now the last 5 years. Also, we started with buying the Beam 2C from Highcon. It was before the COVID time. It was something amazing. It was something new. It was other as the standard converting machine. And we make this invest, and we would like to see the new world, the new technologies and new possibilities. And the COVID time show us that was the good way. And why? We see that grow the e-commerce, the world is changing. And I think the digitalization, laser technology and the other new technology is the future for us. Also the increase was a little bit slowly, as was the plan. The reason was the COVID time. Also we start a little bit with delay. With that, but we start with the one shift, so we can produce some standard packaging at the first time. We learn us with the machine. We became the experience for that. We see after them what is the added value. We make some tests also we know that we can produce on the machine also standard packaging for the automat by the customers. It's running also very well. There is many possibility to set up the machine and set up the lasers and so on. Also, that was the first step. Also, we start with the standard packaging materials. There was in the small series on the standard converting machines, and then we show on the market this special laser cutting small things, and the customer asked for that. Then we begin to replace it on the market, and there was prepared mostly before Christmas, Easter and so on. And slowly in the last 5 years we go to the 3 shifts, and yeah, the market is there. Good, the competitors would like have also the Beam 2C machine on the market. Maybe it will be a bit harder for the future, but we know what we make. Yeah, also we have some adverts with the packaging from the Beam 2C. It is so. We have some adverts also from the converting machine. Also, that is the doing of our development department. Also, we have very good construction team, and they make something new, make many new ideas. Also, that is here. Thanks for that to my colleagues. But the second part of them is the market and the customer. They are prepared to make it together with us. And we find some customers of that. First one was here, then the second one came, then the new possibility, not only digital world, but also the social media. You can see there it's something happened, and slowly came also the other customers. They would like make something others, some special boxes, and then it's running. Yeah, so the important point of that is to show to the customers the added value for him. If they see some added value there, then it is running. Yeah, we began also with the small series, 1 pieces and so on. And the customer came next year or a few months later. Hey, can you make for us something? 100 pieces now, then 1,000 pieces and so on. So yeah, if the customer sees something for him, what can help him, then it's running good, and that is also the task for our sales team.
Actually, I must go for the training to Israel. It was like I think it was week. Was their week. At that time, lots of people there was like Moti and others. They train me well, show me how the machine operates, what to do, how to set up the job, the lasers, how they works actually, and creases. So basically they show me the basics, and after that, when we went back to the Prague, here to the THIMM, they also sent me here the trainer, which trained me another 2 months. We installed the machine. After that, the technician, they left. I was alone here, but Kamil said me, we need to run something, start running, you need immediately something to start running. So I was like, okay, I had only 1 week before training. So I called to the Highcon, we can run already. He said, yeah, but be careful. So I started actually first time the running, and after 2 weeks after that, or after the new year, the trainer come to me, and I started to prepare training for the 1 month or 2 months, I think. I think that's true. It's also because I wanted to know. I always asking how is it working, and why is that, and also what can be better, what is now good, So every time they ask me, I ask them. So it was like together, like some kind of relationship on the both sides. Also, when I spent time in Israel, I can say it was like a friendship. So they showed me lots of things, and also I was pretty much amazed. You cannot do, for example, some small holes on that, because if they're using tools with knives, the knife, cannot just do it. It will destroy the flute. It doesn't look nice. With Highcon, you pretty much using laser, so you don't squeezing anything. I was actually surprised how precise is it. The good thing is you can operate it with one man, but with these big analog machines we have like 2 persons. We have now 3 shifts, so that means we need 3 operators, but we also have trained another 2. They are not permanently on the Highcon. We actually use them for the other purposes, but they can run the machines. So we actually train like 2 more. So yes, now I have 5 operators without me. I have 5 operators on the machine.
Yeah, also by the standard converting technologies, the development running, but not so quickly how I would like to have, or we would like to have. That it is good corrugated boards. It's also not so easy as solid board. In this point of view, it is not so easy to make the development. I understand it, but I think there are new companies on the markets, as Highcon, as HP, as other. They don't know it's not running. They do it and it's running.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was interesting. It was not so easy to go to this investment. It was a little bit short team, 5 people. They spoke about it in the whole of the group, and spoke about the possibilities. What is the added value in Czech Republic or in other German plants, and on the end we came to that the best place for the machine in our group is here in Všetaty by us. We are here very flexible. That is the first reason why. The second point is maybe the Czech market is a little bit other as the German markets or Polish markets, and in the other countries we are not so big. We are only more as 10 million people in the Czech Republic, and we need also small series. Also we have some special customers. They would like to have a small series, and then that was one of the points why is the Beam 2C by us. Yeah, it is so. Also for this beautiful and pretty laser cutting packaging, is the market prepared to pay more? It must be so. Also we make our business. It is easy for us. And what was a surprise for us that we find new markets with them. New customers normally don't buy packaging materials or corrugated boards. but they need something for the presence, for the employee or for his customers and so on. And maybe we sell something for the banking. It was a surprise for us. Yeah, that is the second point of that. Also, the short runs is the future. We know it. The future is no lead times, no MOQ, and that is the preparation for that. I think we find for the future machine for big runs, and also this machine that we have for the short runs and for quick delivery. The setup time, it's not so long. We don't need cutting tools. We don't need so much time for change the order. It's in few minutes mostly, and that is something. Somebody call me. I need something very quickly. Can you help me? Yeah, I can. We did it. Yeah, by us also we can work very good with the machine that we have. Also, we would like to have some bigger machine for the big runs and for the big sizes as a standard in the corrugated boards companies that we would like to have. So I think the development is running by Highcon. We will see what's happened, and I think it is part of the production for the future also in the group. Yeah, we have the digital technologies, we have the preprint technologies, digital preprint technologies, and for that you can combine on the one paper reels more orders behind and so on. For that is the digital laser cutting technologies better as the standard converting technology. So I think it is future. Maybe not all of the machine in the plant are laser cutting machine, but some one, two, or something, it's the future. How quickly it will be on the market, I don't know, but I think it's came.